culture, gender equality, entertainment, and sport. Tools that will be used to help achieve economic growth for Jamaica. The ministry responsible for these sectors has been allocated more than $2.5 billion to make that happen in the 2016-2017 fiscal year. Of that amount, $2.36 billion will go towards housekeeping expenses or recurrent expenditure, and the remainder for capital or development projects. A little over $1 billion has been set aside for the total program for the promotion of arts and culture during the fiscal year. $28.8 million has been set aside to support the operating expenses of the Jamaica Culture Development Commission, Jamaica National Heritage Trust, and the Creative Production and Training Center. Meanwhile, $147.75 million will be utilized in the celebration of national events such as Independence Day, Grand Gala, and National Heritage Week. $240.8 million has been allocated to women's welfare through the Bureau of Women's Affairs and the Women's Center of Jamaica Foundation, as well as some private organizations. To increase entertainment's contribution to Jamaica's economic portfolio, the ministry will be spending $80.9 million this fiscal year. $649 million has been set aside for the promotion of sports, including $230.6 million for the management and maintenance of our national sports facilities. $50 million will also be provided to facilitate insurance coverage for athletes. And to protect Jamaica's sporting legacy, $3.3 million is budgeted to pump up Jamaica's anti-doping operations. The Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sports will also be executing several development projects throughout the year. They include a $91 million allocation from the Consolidated Fund to continue infrastructural repairs and installation of a water distribution system at the Trelawney Multipurpose Stadium. Money from the Japan International Cooperation Agency, one of Jamaica's bilateral partners, will help to fund revitalizing the Institute of Jamaica. And UNESCO is providing $3 million to address gender-based violence.
My ministry aims to further position and enhance the cultural and the creative industries, including sport, which I call physical culture, for greater global competitiveness and economic growth by, among other things, promoting greater economic and social stability for women, leveraging Brand Jamaica for sustainable prosperity.